Is it safe to use bleach to clean floors?
Hello, welcome to our video. Today, we're going to talk about a common household question. Is it safe to use bleach to clean floors? Let's delve into the details.
What is bleach?
Bleach is a strong and effective disinfectant. Its active ingredient, sodium hypochlorite, can kill viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Many people use it for cleaning and disinfecting around the home. But, does that mean it's good for all surfaces, like your floors?
Can bleach be used on all types of floors?
The truth is, bleach is not safe for all types of floors. For instance, bleach should never be used on hardwood floors. It can strip the finish off the wood, causing damage that can be costly to repair. Bleach is also not recommended for use on laminate or vinyl floors as it can discolor them. When it comes to carpet, using bleach can lead to discoloration and damage to the fibers. However, bleach can be safely used on non-porous surfaces such as tiles and concrete. These materials can resist bleach's harsh chemical effects and are often found in areas where strong disinfection is needed, like bathrooms.
How to safely use bleach on suitable floors?
When cleaning suitable floors with bleach, dilution is key. The recommended ratio is usually 1 cup of bleach to a gallon of water. This diluted solution can be used to mop the floor. Always remember to wear gloves and ensure the room is well ventilated while working with bleach. After mopping, let the floor air dry.
Are there alternatives to bleach?
If your floor material isn't suitable for bleach, don't worry, there are alternatives. Vinegar and water, for example, can be a great natural cleaning solution for many types of floors. Commercial floor cleaners designed specifically for your floor type are also an excellent choice. In conclusion, while bleach is a powerful cleaner, it's not suitable for all types of floors. Always check the manufacturer's instructions for your specific flooring material to ensure you're cleaning it in a way that won't cause damage. Remember, keeping our homes clean is important, but doing it safely is paramount. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy cleaning, everyone!